Welcome back, boys and girls. Thank you for coming back for another vocal effect tutorial. And today you are in for a treat. Today's vocal effect tutorial is going to be on Travis Scott, Highest in the Room, one of my favorite songs. If you haven't heard that song, what are you actually doing? Before we get started in this video, make sure to hit the shit out of that like button, triple tap that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more vocal effect tutorials. I got a whole bunch of content coming on the way. Thank you for watching. Now, with that being said, let's hop into my computer and see what I got for you guys. I think you guys are going to really like this. So let's begin.
I got room in my fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing shows, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got her in my room, legs wrapped around my bed. Got the faster car zoom. Hope we make it out of here.
As always, we have auto tune. The retune speed is at 1. You got to make sure the auto tune is all the way up for Travis Scott. I got the humanizer up. I got the input at low male because my voice is in a lower register. The key is in D minor. You got to make sure that your key is matching your song so that the auto tune doesn't sound funky when you're using it. I have a limiter. I'm using the noise gate feature just to get out all the low frequencies so it doesn't pick up like room tones and room noises and whatever. You want the vocal to be dry. Okay, on the mix, I have a Fruity Parametric EQ2. On the Fruity Parametric EQ2, we have, what we're doing on here is just cutting out the low end. We're boosting some of the 10K range, a little bit of the 4K range. Some of the frequencies in the low mid were a little prominent. They was a little too harsh on the ear. So I just brought those bad bitches down because they fucking screaming in my ear. So I have to bring them shits down. One of my favorite plugins right here. It's called the La Partie Excite. It adds like this glossy, shimmery top end that we're looking for. So I added just a smidge, just to give it the taste. Just a little bit of that. You feel me? Next, I have a CLA 76. Turned the release all the way up because we want the compressor to be holding on, get that nice, compressed, tight, in the pocket sound. You achieve that by using the CLA 76. Next, another one of my favorite compressions is the C6. Don't sleep on this compression. This compression is going to save your life one day. I said it here first. It's going to save your life one day, okay? You got the lows. You got the low end. You got to compress that bad boy. You don't want it to be breakdancing in your ear. That's the last thing you want. Mids, highs, compress just to tame those frequencies because they be doing this in your ear and you want it to do this in your ear. Feel me? So people don't get distracted when you're listening. Okay? That's what this compression does. Next, I routed the main vocal on a send so I could add more effects. And these are saturation plugins. This is the NLS bus right here. Plugin right here is an analog plugin. It adds characteristics and tonalities to your vocals. That's Sauce right there. Puig Tech. Have nothing on it. Just the actual plugin. Sauce right there. Flavor. Kramer's. Sauce right there adds that girth, that warmth, that you know when your grandmother's hugging you, that's the kind of warmth that this plugin adds to your vocals. That's what you want. EQ, cutting out whatever low end that might be coming through again. And just to tighten the whole mix up, because the mix want to go like this. You feel me? And we want the mix to be in the pocket of the song. So one last compressor called the Arvox, one of my favorite compressors. Bring 2 knobs, compressor and the gain. I just compress it just enough so that it activates when the vocals come in. When it activates, tames it nice and perfect so that when you want to blend it into your song, it fits right in the pocket. And it just, this beautiful blend. This plugin does that. And then I have 2 sends. One send is for my reverb. One send is for my delay. I have the Valhalla Vintage Verb right here. Beautiful plugin. Look at me. Beautiful plugin. Beautiful. I have the plate setting, 4.3 decay. And then I have a H delay, half bar delay, feedback is all the way up. Half bar delay tells the signal when to activate a half bar after, and it's blended perfectly. So let me just play you. I'm gonna play you the vocals raw.
I got room in my fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone.
So everything fits in the
I
pocket.
see some things that you might
That's
fear.
essentially what you want. Everything to fit
I'm
in the
doing
pocket
shows, I'll
perfectly.
be back soon.
Add the beat.
That ain't what she wanted here. Now I got her in my room. Legs wrapped.
And when you're listening back to the final takes, the final version, the final mix, you want to have that stank face. You just want to be, what is that? That's heat. I'm very proud of this mix. It's probably as accurate as it's gonna. I haven't seen a better Travis Scott Highest in the Room mix. I think this is the closest that you're gonna get to like the actual thing. I'm not gonna lie, I played this for my brother. He thought it was Travis Scott. I'm just, listen, feel me? Don't be mad at me. That's what he said. He said it was just as good as Travis Scott. So take that how you will. This was the Travis Scott vocal effect tutorial on FL Studio. If you liked the video, slap the shit out of that like button. Slap the shit out of that subscribe button. We're growing this channel and it's growing crazy fast. Like, it's insane. Keep showing love. Keep supporting the channel. I'm going to keep dropping videos. In the description below, there's going to be a FL Studio version of all the plugins that I have here. Go check it out. Go sound like Travis Scott. Go get your It's Lit on. Go get your Go get that out of here, okay? It's going to be in the description bar below. That's everything. I'll see you in the next video.